Mabuhay mahal ta ng mga kasamang guro, ano naman po ang mangyayari sa mga guro na may posisyon na Special Needs Education Teacher 1 to 4 at Special Science Teacher 1 to 2. Sa ating pong ECP, the positions of Special Needs Education Teachers or SNET and Special Science Teachers or SST shall be retitled to the equivalent position in the ECP system and shall maintain the parenthetical titles as SNET and SST. Ano po ang magiging retitled position nila? Kapag Special Science Teacher 1 ang isang guro, pwede po siyang maretitle to Teacher 3 na may parenthetical position na Special Science Teacher. Kapag naman ang guro ay Special Needs Education Teacher 1, pwede po siyang maretitle to Teacher 4 with parenthetical title na Special Needs Education Teacher 1. Kapag ka Special Needs Education Teacher 2, ang kanya pong retitled position ay magiging Teacher 5 na may parenthetical position na Special Needs Education Teacher 3 or Teacher 2. Kapag naman Special Needs Education Teacher 3 at Special Science Teacher 2, ang retitled position po nila ay Teacher 6 or Special Needs Education Teacher 3, ang parenthetical title, at Teacher 6 or Special Science Teacher 3, ang parenthetical title. Kung ang guro naman po ay Special Needs Education Teacher 4, ang kanya pong retitled position ay Teacher 7 na may parenthetical position po na Special Needs Education Teacher 4. At kapag ka ang guro po ay Special Needs Education Teacher 5, ang current position, pwede po ang retitled position niya ay Master Teacher 1 or Special Needs Education Master Teacher 1. Kung kaya, ang mga incumbent po ng mga nasabing positions ay magpe-perform pa rin po sa the same functions attached to their positions. Kaya tatandaan niyo po mga kasamang SNET teachers and SST teachers, may katumbas po na position ang inyong mga current positions in the expanded career progression. Marami pong salamat. Good luck po.